sit back and enjoy a new segment of a show, What's the Logic? Today, I am about to talk on the most watched and laugh a second comedy, Khichdi. This says it all. Though the name sounds simple and boring in the first place and tastes freaka, but this sitcom gave the word khichdi a whole new meaning. From then, khichdi would only mean laughter, fun, chaos for the fans. So, here we give you the top 10 reasons of why khichdi was the most funny show to air on the Indian television. Khichdi was a sitcom that was a family drama, but different from the other family dramas which would consist of a saas, bahu or unke vampire, clans and all sorts of other negative characters possible on the earth. Instead, Khichdi was a sitcom where you would find people making fool out of themselves. It was a breeze of fresh air in that era of rather dramatic and serious sitcoms. It felt like the best part of a vampire movie, Twilight. Now let's talk about some funny, dumb characters on screen. वो लास्ट वाला कट करते क्या? नहीं? Okay, ठीक है. Well, but could you expect 5 people on a screen getting dumb and dumber continuously? Yes, that may sound bit awkward, but that is true. Every character came up with a punch of their own before we could revive from the previous one said by the other. I think the writers were served with some good khichdi, huh? Now that we are on the topic of writers, I must tell you that the dialogues they write play a big part for anything to be successful. I mean, just look at Khichdi and What's the Logic? किसने लिखा ये? 2 एपिसोड हुआ नहीं और फुटेज कहाँ चालू? हकालो इसको और नया स्क्रीन राइटर बुलाओ. What was that? Oh yeah, Khichdi ke dialogues. Beat any character, right from Hansa to the kids, everyone had their own patent dialogues. Like the kids had a dialogue which they beautifully executed in the perfect situations, which was like Bade log, which was unlike the other serial dialogues where the elder would complain about the younger ones. How often would you find the eldest person of the family being taken lightly or made fun of in India or even in an Indian sitcom? Yes, as I said before, it was a fresh breeze of air in that era of sitcoms. It gave us almost everything we never expected. Anything Babuji said or did was turned down all the time by the members of the family. I like Hansa, who often said, jargons, translations or meanings of the words, Praful had an answer for all of them. He had a dictionary of his own to answer the questions raised by his wife Hansa. Probably the only husband in the world to achieve this feat. मतलब wife के हर एक सवाल का जवाब किसके पास होता है यार? I think even Rajinikanth had called him to know the secret and learn from him. He did not care about any rules of language whatsoever. Never ever. Ever. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Jayashree Bhabhi. One of a kind in the Indian sitcoms who did not plot and plan against her Devrani and instead enjoyed every bit of time they spent together to the fullest. उसमें क्या है? मेरी मॉम और वाइफ भी फ्रेंड्स की तरह ही रहती है.
Scene 8, take 5, rolling, action.
Yes, you guessed it right. It's Jayashree Bhabhi.
अरे बहू, भूख लगी है. खाना कब बनाओगी? रात के 8 बज रहे हैं.
कट यार. मम्मी, शूट चालू है ना यहाँ पे. वो पोछा मार मार के पिछले आधे घंटे से सोई पड़ी है.
कोई नहीं बेटा, मैं ऐसा काम करवाऊंगी उससे कि लोग कहेंगे बहू हो तो इसके जैसी.
चलो रीटेक. or the area's water problem, Praful would just jump into the conversation just like the superhero does when he sees the villain or when a Gujarati sees a circle. You guessed it right. I am talking about Garpa, yaar. And saying those 3 magical words. मैं हूं ना. I think मेरा वाला बेस्ट था. Next point. Himanshu, बस नाम ही काफी है. He was a prime optimist. Yes, believe me, I don't lie. He would do all sorts of things, also some petty crimes, and behave as if he's having a walk in the park with his patent dialogue. Eh, किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. Fights are good if they make someone laugh. Well, that was written by me. Well, I am talking about the rib-tickling Babuji and Praful quarrels, which would often end up with Babuji proving his point and saying, Praful, tu to gada hai gada. And then obviously, Praful giving us all a reason to believe Babuji's word by saying something irrelevant and out of this world. There must have been only few unlucky people in this world whom Hansa did not invite for a meal. Whosoever they may be, she would just come out and blurt. Well, howsoever dumb the characters may be, but we have to agree that we loved Khichdi because of them, and it altogether changed the image of Khichdi in everyone's mind. Also, you have to agree the fact that you like the top 10 reasons. चलो खाना लगाओ रे. आप भी खाना खा लेना, हाँ? અને જો તમને અમારી ખીચડી ભાવી હોય, then do like and share our video and please subscribe to our channel.